Hi, Cassie! Congratulations at dalaga ka na! Happy birthday! I'm happy to be part of your life, kahit dito lang sa sangre muna. And I hope to get to work with you ng maraming beses pa in the future. May God bless you more, and I can't wait to see you grow up as a lady. Happy birthday!
Hi, Cassie baby! Happy 13th birthday! My wish to you is for you to always stay happy, stay healthy, of course. And I wish for you to matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. And sana magka-work tayo soon. So just enjoy a very special day. And yeah, stay happy and stay healthy. Love you always!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Nako, I hope that you will continue being such a talented girl. Ngayon na dalaga ka na. Nako, you have such a bright future ahead of you. So, happy birthday. Sana lahat ng wishes will come true. And sana magka-work ulit tayo soon.
Happy birthday, Cassie! Ayan, we wish you all the best. Sana patuloy kang maging masipag, sweet, yes, and masunurin sa iyong parents and mabait na kaibigan. We wish you all the best and take care always.
Yes, stay as you are. God bless you, and we're always here for you.
Yes, dalaga yan!
Yes, sir!
Baby Cassie! Baby ka pa ba? Hindi ka na baby kasi 13 ka na. Pero happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Sana patuloy maging masayahin. Very happy, jolly, and active kang bata. And of course, very masunurin and loving sa parents and family mo. So sana kahit lumaki ka na, sana hindi mawala sa'yo yun, yung happiness and love sa sarili mo, sa family mo, and sa mga ginagawa mo. God bless! Happy birthday! Love, love!
Hello, Cassie! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ikaw ang aking paboritong apo dito sa Encantadia, ha? See you soon! God bless!
Hi, Cassie! Madaya ka pa din. Happy birthday. Naku, 13 ka na, teenager ka na. Congratulations. Welcome to the teenage life. See you on your birthday.